Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at a PowerPoint lesson walkthrough for adverbs of manner. Let's check it out. This PowerPoint lesson is designed for Chinese public primary schools with the later grades in mind. So if you're using a different situation, then you're going to have to think about maybe changing up a little bit. So how it works, we first have presentation where I'm going to explain about adverbs of manner very simply, very concisely, with a little talk time as I possibly can get away with. So first, what adverbs are and what they do. So basically modifying a verb, and yes, I know that there are more in-depth intricacies for adverbs of manner, but I'm just wanting them to get an overall view. The Chinese teacher will go into more depth, but I'm just kind of like refreshing, reviewing, and keeping it simple. And then I'm going to go into how we can make some adverbs, basically by adding the ly. And also going into a bit about different rules. This one I focus on the most common exception, that some you have to add an ly. And then now we're going into more kind of flashcard drilling, and here they can kind of see it illustrated in a sentence of how it might work. And I really overemphasize the ly. And also I'll end with the most common exception, badly and well, because sometimes I found that they say goodly. So I kind of changed that up with well, but I really don't expect them to remember that. I'm more focused on making sure that they get the ly. So after that teacher talk time and a little bit of drilling, we'll go into a video and watch a song. Coming back from the song, I'm going to start testing them on what they remember. So here they have to put the words together with the correct ending, ly or I.
Good. 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 Good.
And now we have a quick game. Basically, they have to put the correct adverb into the sentence.
You got it.
So we'll go through a few different ones, and then I have a game. It's a bomb game, and I believe it's the Super Mario Galaxy bomb game that's got adverbs of manner. I can't remember off the top of my head, but if you go to BAM game on the website TeamTeacherChina.com, then you can download this PowerPoint lesson, and also you can find that bomb game that goes together with this.